What's up, guys? So, quick one. I'm gonna be showing you how to uh, test the speed of your internet. So, you agree with me that I'm using fiber, so you can see uh, I'm not using Wi-Fi. I'm using fiber and internet. And let's see what the speed. This is Google speed test. So to get to this page, you go to fiber.google.com/speed test, and you get this page. Click go. So go go go. Click one. All right. So as you can see, it has finished pinging, and the upload speed is 88.4%. I mean, 88.4 Mbps, which is megabytes per second, and the upload speed is 91.7 Mbps. Of course, are you showing here that it's Spectra? No, I'm not using Spectra. Okay, the TZT. Okay, that's my IP, and yeah, I'm going to let's test again. As you can see, the speed is quite high, which is why you want to switch to a fiber network instead of the normal type of internet that we all used to. Exactly. So you can see now the upload speed is 92.5% and 80, this remains at 88.2%. So yeah, let's check other tester and see what it gives us. Let's check speed.io. Okay, so just 1 Mbps dropped here. You can see the speed.io is giving us 87 Mbps and the upload speed of 94 Mbps, which is not quite different. And let's check the last tester here, and let's check fast.com. This is fast.com, and let me refresh this. As you can see, in real time is giving us the same. It's the same 88 Mbps, same as Google. So Google actually is giving us it's not lying to us. So yeah. So yeah, this is how you actually, and mind you, fast.com is powered by Netflix. So you can be sure they and Google are actually possibly, using the same metrics to actually measure this. So if you want to get more information, you can see it down here. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and that is how you check your internet speed. And I do advise that you switch to a fiber network, and you want to watch Netflix at the same time, stream at the same time, maybe hold the virtual conferences or meetings at the same time. You want to make uploads, whatever you want to do. I mean, you're going to, a fiber network is going to, serve you. And mind you that I just uploaded a 10 point something gig size of videos on the internet folder in a Google what's it called, Google Drive, to send to someone, and that it was uploaded in less than 5 minutes. So you want to switch to fiber network. Shout out to TZT. I'm using TZT, and if you are in Nigeria or Africa, you can also consider switching from other, internet service providers to TZT, and your life is going to be easy. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time in another video. Bye-bye.